We had some issues with our SKA nest boxes getting the counterweights set up with the linear actuator they supply. The instruction book here isn't great, and it's in 3 different languages, and English is a bit of an afterthought, so I'll just explain quickly how we figured it out. It comes in the nest open arrangement, the actuator, so this is it here. But what happens is, if you don't have the counterweights on at the other end of the line, or in the middle, wherever you're putting them, this whole assembly flops about when you try to put the counterweights on. So there's nothing to sort of lock this and hold it in place. Even if it's like that, these joints move up and down, and you just can't get the counterweights on. So what you need to do is hook power up to the actuator, extend it out so it closes. So what happens is these arms here move down and they butt up against that plate there. This is all set up, it comes like this, and that locks all of this assembly in place and it can't move. So then you can go and put the counterweights on in this arrangement here, and then you can open and close it easily enough. This is a 12 volt model, doesn't come with a timer, so we set up this little timer arrangement here. You'll need this timer here, which we got from the Rainbow Power Company. It's just a 12 and 24 volt timer, which you can set up 7 days. It does a whole lot of stuff. We just need it to open and close at different times during the day. And you'll also need a relay. That's an Ormon LY2N12VCD. So you'll need the 2. And I've got a wiring diagram I can share as well as to how to make that work. But yeah, long story short, get power onto it, set it to the closed position where the whole thing spreads out and the ram pushes out, and then mount your counterweights, and you'll be good to go. Cheers.